Hello, my name is Sylvia and I am a Portfolio Activation Specialist from the Cisco Customer Experience Center. In this video, we will discuss the detailed consumption report, how to generate it, and how to read it. Let's start by reviewing how to generate the detailed consumption report. Access your Enterprise Agreement workspace and click on Consumption. The Consumption Report page will open in a new tab. On the right side, you have this I want to option. Click on it and select Detailed Report. An Excel file will be downloaded to your computer. Now, let's learn how to read the detailed consumption report. The initial columns give you basic information about the transaction, such as the suite name, license category, the license SKU, quantity, and issued date. The following columns require a bit more explanation. You can see that we have 4 possible categories in column Request Type: Pre-EA, Greenfield, Convert to Smart, and Fulfillment. The Pre-EA indication shows us that this is a brownfield license. The field CCO ID shows us who has generated these licenses. In the case of Pre-EA, we see in CCO ID DNA bulk lice. This happens because these licenses are system generated on the EA start date. The greenfield indication shows us that this is a license coming from a new hardware order with 100% discount applied on the software lines. In CCO ID, we will see the CCO ID of the person who has done the order, hence a partner user ID. For these licenses, we will also be able to see the order number with which the licenses were acquired. Convert to Smart License shows us the smart licenses that were manually generated from the Enterprise Agreement workspace. And Fulfillment shows us the PAC licenses, or traditional licenses, that were generated from the EA workspace. In both cases, PAC and Smart, you will see the ID of the person who has generated these licenses in CCO ID. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out.